Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do your college assignment using ChatGPT, and I will also show you a method which you can use to avoid plagiarism. So without much ado, let's get straight into the video. And here you can use ChatGPT to write an essay for you. Like for example, I made it write two essays for me for like 100 to 200 words. You can have it pretty much as long as you want, it does not really matter. And now let's just copy any text from here to check whether this is plagiarized or not, and for that we will be using this website writer.com. This will be used to detect any AI content. Simply paste the text you copied here and click on the analyze text button. As you can see, it says it is 72% human generated, but that is not a good score. It still means that 28% of that is supposedly plagiarized. So we will be using this tool. It's a paraphrasing tool by quillbot.com. Simply paste the text you copied from ChatGPT to here and click where it says paraphrase. And once you have the new text, just copy it from here. And now we will test it again on this writer.com website. Simply come here, remove the old text, make sure you copied this, the new one, and paste it here. And simply click on the analyze text button again. Remember, we had 72% before, and now it is at 93%, which is a remarkable score. Well, here as you can see, we have a much better score than before, and that was what we needed. And this is how you use ChatGPT for college assignment without being caught and avoid plagiarism. So basically, you make ChatGPT write any essay you want of any length, and then you check for AI detection in that essay. And once you see that the score is not good, you use this tool to rewrite the essay for you or rephrase it for you, and then test it again on this website so you can have a better score and avoid plagiarism. Hope this video helped you. Also, you should definitely check out this video, and if you took value, let us know or give it a like and subscribe.